Hi, it's Tim. We just built this beautiful 400 Ford 500 horsepower engine for our customer's 1978 Ford F150 four-wheel drive. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the engine block painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the Keith black pistons in there. Compressions 9.8 to 1. Trick flow aluminum cylinder heads with the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the correct rear sump Cant Racing oil pan for our customer's 1978 Ford F150 4x4. Braided dipstick and tube on there. We have the Ford Racing blue ignition wires. Distributor set in place. Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. 14-inch chrome air cleaner with a washable filter. It's real nice polished valve covers, the breather. Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection on there. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system. We'll set all the settings, set the idle. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. Throttle cable balls on there, throttle return spring and bracket. We have the manifold vacuum tee on there for any vacuum hookups. Customer has a standard transmission on here. We have the correct 180 tooth billet steel 28-ounce flywheel. Pilot bearings installed. Proper starter index plate is on there. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi. We have the PCV hose on there, PCV valve. We have the Wraptor, polished Wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow, standard rotation, aluminum water pump. Lower hose is the correct location on the driver's side. 160 amp, 1-wire hookup alternator. GM Type 2 power steering pump. We'll supply the universal power steering line kit for the customer's 78 Ford F-150, so all of his lines will hook up. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum rating, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We set up the Holley Sniper EFI menu screen. Everything will be dialed in, plug and play, ready to go. We check for leaks. Is this the way you get it? A complete custom built turnkey engine, ready to go. So again, this is the 400 Ford 500 horsepower engine. Trick flow, aluminum heads, Keith black pistons, Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection, ready to go for the 78 Ford F-150 4x4. Thanks for watching.